Hey Nona, it's Tam and Timmy time. And today we're at Heath Park in Columbus, Georgia. We're gonna walk around the lake here. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and
we love y'all.
I wonder what lives down there.
You know what?
What?
Smells like fish.
I don't smell it, thank goodness. I wonder what lives down there. Don't get too close. There's another one over there. I wonder what lives down there.
I'm a gopher.
You think?
I don't know.
Look at that. Let's go for a walk. Can y'all tell Timmy's reclaimed the camera?
No, it didn't do what I wanted to do in there. I couldn't get in there enough to get it to go up. It looked down. Because it thought that's what you wanted me to do. Oh well.
The swing's gone, y'all.
Yeah, there used to be a swing here.
Just a regular old swing, and I believe this is what it was at.
I just wonder
Where it went to.
what happened to it.
We haven't been over here a long time.
We haven't.
But it's a beautiful day.
It is. Kind of going to our beginnings almost. When we first started, it was parks. We did a lot of parks.
Well,
Now we do small towns and cemeteries, but we still like to go to parks. But we just haven't been one in a while.
When Tim and I were dating, we used to come to this park and watch.
Oh yeah?
And we used to sit on that swing that has been mysteriously disappeared.
Yeah. I wonder if it was demolished or what.
Vandalized.
Yeah, I'm not used to this camera, y'all. I'm just, since she got this camera, and it's been, how long now? A
Long
year?
enough I paid it off.
Yeah.
6 to 8 months, I guess.
She's
Actually, it was cold when we got that camera.
she's been the one to do it most of the time. Now, there seems to be a pattern. When we do a small town, Tammy holds the camera. She does pretty much all the filming. But when we go to a place like this, a park, she hands it to me. I don't know why. This one don't zoom as much, but there is a
Look,
trail of ducks over there.
there is a red-headed woodpecker flying. Yeah, we missed him. That's okay. Red-headed woodpecker just took off. He was pretty.
I was looking at the,
Ducks. Yeah, there is a, yeah. Hang on.
yeah, she's gonna zoom it.
She gonna try. I see that, but I don't really see the ducks. They're over there. Oh yeah, now I see them just a little bit. I think I got a little bit of them. Let's go across the bridge. That's my favorite part of this park.
All right.
You can hear the ducks and
You can.
all the other things honking and beeping and waiting.
And this park lies within a subdivision, and we're at the back of the houses now.
All the way around.
Yeah. Actually, you wouldn't think anything of this beauty would be in town like this.
I don't know, Columbus likes to make places like this.
They do.
I think it's a wonderful thing.
They try to keep some green, some forest and greenery and all places like this type of thing. Don't know what I'm trying to say. Parks. And there's several in Columbus. This is one of our favorites.
Oh look, it's no swing, there's a bench.
There's a bench. They do have benches in this park.
Well, wonderful.
I'm gonna take a little detour.
Okay, you go right ahead, take a little too. Be careful, don't let that get you.
Always a fallen tree. Yeah, there's some turtles over there somewhere.
Okay, watch. Get behind me and watch. See where it says
I
one?
thought it was.
Okay, you push that, and it may work or it may not, but you have to just keep trying. But now it is on. But you see, the problem is, after you do that, then you got to find the turtles. And I think they're in the screen. I think they are.
Yeah, it's right at the edge where the water's at.
I see them. I see both of them. So then you do this, back it back out. And then you have to do that. And now it's back up and down. And sometimes it takes touching it several times to get to do what you want to. Yeah, we're doing a tutorial here at the same time. Uh-oh, we gotta go up the hill now.
Come on.
Okay, now we almost up the hill. Now we get to go down. Yay!
It wasn't too bad.
Wasn't too bad. What? Oh, somebody's lost their dog.
Sweet dogs.
Oh, two. Oh no, they need somebody to
It won't be
adopt them.
adopted. Yeah.
Yeah. They look pretty good. Crate trained, housebroken, good with kids, good with cats. I don't know if my cat would be good with them though. That's my issue.
They're pretty good sized dogs, looks like too. It's a pretty good sized dog, but y'all, she misses having a dog.
I miss having a dog.
It's hard to have a dog inside the city. There's nowhere for them to roam, really.
I've never lived without a dog until I married Tim.
Sorry.
It's not your fault because I've always lived in the country. I never lived in the city before Columbus. Not really.
Well, you'd have to bring them to places like this to get there.
Energy out.
Yeah.
Especially them. Those are like, one of them is 1 year old. You gotta, that's just a puppy.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, though, that's a pretty good place to post something like that. I wouldn't have never thought about that. I've never seen anything
Yeah.
like that. I love this pine needle carpet we're walking on.
Oh, yeah.
You can't even actually, you're not actually even on the dirt path we're usually on. It's pine needle carpet.
Almost like forest out there.
Well, it is right there.
Yeah.
Because really the lake's back over there, and there is a creek running out there, which we'll cross on the bridge in just a few minutes. Of course, it's gonna.
Should go out in the woods and explore it a little bit,
Well, go ahead.
but afraid I might step in the water.
You might.
I think we got another sign. I wonder if it's the same two dogs.
I don't know. I'm gonna go look.
I think it is.
It probably is.
Yeah, I believe that's the same two dogs.
Yep, Butch and Ivy.
And here's the bridge.
Yep. Love the bridge. I hear the creek.
Mm-hmm. Hey, how are y'all? You hear it, now you see it.
I like it over on the left hand side. I like it on both sides, but I like it on the left hand side. It seems so peaceful and that's what I hear. I hear it falling over in the light.
Look at that, y'all.
This is my favorite side of it.
These things posted everywhere. I just got one thing to say to you.
What you got to say?
Roll Tide.
Yes. This shirt's old. It's got two of Tagovailoa on it. We all know he's down in
They're doing some stuff in here.
They are. They're putting in new. Oh, they're putting in a new creek. I bet they're putting in a new waterway. Or they're redirecting the old one. You know what?
Could be.
Hmm.
We'll go to the sign. Now, the back of these houses do have fences. You see private property signs there.
A lot of them have gates leading out here though, because they come out here and walk.
Yeah.
I wish I lived
And there's a
somewhere where that's a tall bench.
bench that looks like it's broke.
You know what? That bench is supposed to be in the ground. It's supposed to be buried. It's not a very stable bench out there.
I wouldn't sit on it.
No.
What's that sign say?
Watch out for bears.
I don't think there's bears in back here.
It tells
There
how,
might be alligators.
it tells how far that you've come if you're walking.
Probably. Yeah, we haven't been that far yet.
No, we haven't been that far for sure. And it's the sounds that let you know you're still in the city.
Oh,
Even though
yeah.
you're in the woods and all of a sudden it's beep, beep,
Yeah, somebody
beep,
backing
somebody
up.
backing up.
You know, it's still green.
Very. But you know, look at me in my short sleeves. It is November the 17th. I think I'm right about that. November the 18th. I'm sorry. It's Mickey Mouse's birthday today, y'all. Happy birthday, Mickey Mouse.
Mine's coming up.
It is, very quickly.
Got my Spider-Man shirt on.
Oh yeah, Tim's in his Spider-Man shirt. I don't know what that means, but you know.
I don't either, but you know.
So, this has been our adventure at Heath Park, Heath Lake. Both, Heath Park, Heath Lake, either one.
Lake Heath.
There you go, Lake Heath. Let's see, there we go. Maybe I won't cut your head off. There, that's better. No, don't do that, stand up. Please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and
We love y'all. And I don't have a hat on, see?
nobody would have never known if you hadn't told them.